Part 1 of 2, Order, Chaos, and Taking Responsibility. Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life is more than a self-help book. It is a philosophical survival guide for anyone navigating modern life. It blends ancient wisdom, psychology, and practical action into 12 powerful rules. Not just to survive, but to live with meaning. Let us explore the first half of these principles. Rule 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. This is not just about posture. It is about signaling to the world, and to yourself, that you are willing to take on life's challenges. Confidence begins in the body. Standing tall tells your brain, I am ready. I am in control. And I deserve respect. Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Most people take better care of their pets than they do themselves. Peterson challenges you to value your life as much as you would someone you deeply care about. You are not here to be neglected. You have a responsibility to nourish your mind, body, and purpose. Rule 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher, not those who pull you down. Negative energy is contagious, so is ambition, discipline, and encouragement. Choose a circle that reflects your future, not your past. Rule 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Social media makes it easy to feel behind. But your only real competition is your past self. Did you grow today? Did you learn? Did you show up? Progress is personal, and success is measured in movement, not comparison. Rule 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. Discipline is not cruelty. It is a gift. Peterson says that setting limits for children teaches them how to function in society. Without structure, they grow up confused and rejected. Kindness includes correction. Rule 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Before you try to fix the planet, fix your habits, your finances, your relationships. When you put your life in order, you become stronger, and your voice gains credibility. Clean your room, then help clean the world. That covers the first half. In part 2, we will explore rules about truth, meaning, marriage, and how facing the darkness gives you power.
Welcome back. Now let us finish the rest of Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life. These are deeper, more spiritual, and absolutely essential. Rule 7. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Do not chase what is easy. Chase what is right. Expedience gives you a short-term reward. Meaning builds a legacy. Sometimes that means pain, sacrifice, and delay. But meaning is the only thing worth building a life on. Rule 8. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. Lies make life heavy. They twist your path. They weaken your words. And they erode your strength. Tell the truth, even when it costs you. If you cannot say the truth, be silent. But never deceive. Because lies build chaos. Rule 9. Assume the person you are listening to knows something you don't. Listening is a form of humility. Everyone knows something you do not. Even people you disagree with. Ask, listen, and learn. When you truly listen, you are opening yourself up to transformation. Rule 10. Be precise in your speech. Do not speak in vague generalities. Say what you mean, and mean what you say. When you define the problem clearly, you take power over it. When you speak directly, you build order from chaos. Precision creates progress. Rule 11. Do not bother children when they are skateboarding. This rule is about danger, growth, and resilience. Children need risk. They need to fall to build strength. Protecting people too much makes them weak. Courage grows through trial, not comfort. Rule 12. Pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. Life is hard. People get sick. We lose loved ones. And we face deep sorrow. This final rule is a call to notice the beauty, even in suffering. Stop for a moment. Breathe. Notice something small and kind, like a cat on the street, a warm breeze, or a laugh with a friend. These small moments make life livable. Final thought. Life is not meant to be safe. It is meant to be meaningful. Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life challenge you to carry your load, face the chaos, and build strength from truth. The world is dangerous, but with discipline, meaning, and courage, you can walk through it with your head high. That is how you bring order to chaos, and live a life worth remembering.